Okay, part 2 tayo. Dito naman tayo sa conceptual framework. Purahin na natin yan. Conceptual framework na tayo. So, ang ating model lang is very easy is the IB and DB. Naturo ko naman na sa inyo ito. Okay, of course, yung IB nyo ilalagay nyo lang dito. For example, ilalagay nyo dito ay bullying. Okay, effects of bullying. Okay, tapos of course, ang ating sample, social, mental, and emotional. And then sa kabila, ilalagay ninyo yung DB, academic performance, and then one is written outputs, recitation, and attendance. Okay, so ganyan lang, very basic. Okay, of course, itong box na to, huwag yung mabaguhin ng size, parehas dapat yan. And yung IB and DB, kagaya ng ginawa nyo ng exam, ay dapat nasa taas. And of course, the single-headed arrow that proposes that ito ay significant relationship. And then sa baba naman ay ilalagay ninyo yung this figure shows the paradigms of the study. Fill in the blanks na tayo. I've observed in the figure, the first variable indicates the what? Ang nalagay nyo lang, the effects of bullying in terms of their social, mental, and emotional. Okay? And then the second variable indicated the academic performance. In terms of what? Of course, yung patuloy natin, which is the written outputs. Ano nga to? Recitation, and tawag dun? Recitation and attendance. Okay? So, ito napakalaga. May explanation dito yun. Natawag natin single-headed arrow. Kaya nakalagay dyan, the single-headed arrow placed between the variable indicates that they are correlated between the. So, of course, your IB and your DB. Your IB, of course, is the effects of bullying. And, of course, the other one is the academic performance. So, yun lang. That's it for our chapter 2, the theoretical and conceptual framework. Okay, for theory, lagay ninyo ganito, ano. Okay, for example, theory of, ano tayo ng sample, uli, theories, ayan. So, copy this one, and then, yan. Okay, and then paste. So, ito ay, yan. And then this one should be tuldok. Okay, period. So, ganito yung formatting natin ng paglagay ng mga theories. Okay? So, naka-bold ito. Yung theory, kung anong klaseng theory lalagay ninyo. And then the explanation follows after the period. Okay? So, yan yun, yung definition. Okay? So, yun lang. Gawin nyo na over the weekend and you are going to pass the chapter 1 and chapter 2 on Friday. And next week, we'll discuss chapter 3 and 4 para yun naman ipapasok ninyo the following week. Okay? So, thank you very much and goodbye.